I take on the challenge of naturally boosting my sexual endurance in just one night. Let's see what really works. Sexual endurance is a crucial aspect of any intimate relationship, allowing both partners to fully enjoy and connect with each other on a deeper level. When both partners have high sexual endurance, it can strengthen their bond, increase intimacy, and overall satisfaction in the relationship. By enhancing your sexual endurance naturally, you can experience a more fulfilling and enjoyable intimate life. Many individuals struggle with sexual endurance issues, such as anxiety and lack of stamina, which can significantly impact their relationships. Anxiety, in particular, can be a major contributor to sexual endurance issues, causing individuals to feel nervous and unsure about their performance. This anxiety can stem from various factors, including past experiences, societal pressures, or fear of not meeting expectations. The lack of stamina can lead to feelings of frustration and disappointment, affecting not only the individual but also their partner. These issues can lead to a cycle of stress and performance anxiety, making it even more challenging to overcome. The impact on relationships can be substantial, causing partners to feel disconnected and unsatisfied. Communication is key in addressing these challenges, allowing couples to work together to find solutions and strengthen their relationship. Physical exercises, dietary changes, and mental techniques like mindfulness are effective natural methods to increase sexual endurance. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as cardio and pelvic floor exercises, can improve blood flow and stamina. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also enhance overall health and well-being. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, allowing individuals to focus on the present moment and enjoy their intimate experiences. One of the most effective techniques to quickly boost your sexual endurance is the 10-minute breathing exercise. This simple yet powerful technique involves deep breathing exercises that calm the mind and relax the body. By dedicating just 10 minutes each day to this exercise, you can significantly reduce anxiety and increase your endurance. The exercise is easy to implement and can be done discreetly, making it a convenient solution for those looking to see quick results. The benefits of this technique are twofold, as it not only enhances sexual endurance, but also improves overall mental well-being. By incorporating this exercise into your daily routine, you can experience a noticeable difference in your intimate relationships. It's essential to remember that consistency is key, and making this exercise a habit can lead to long-term benefits. To recap, we've discussed the importance of sexual endurance in relationships and explored various natural methods to enhance it. By incorporating physical exercises, dietary changes, and mental techniques into your daily routine, you can experience a more fulfilling, intimate life. These natural methods not only improve sexual endurance, but also contribute to overall well-being. If you've had any experiences with boosting your sexual endurance, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might find it helpful, and consider subscribing for more content focused on improving intimate relationships.